Hey guys, for this video, we are going to check out the Manta MK2 City Circuit Special Edition. Let's go! Alright, so let's start. Let's open the box. Let's first talk about the cowl. Now, this is made from ABS material, ABS resin, and it's color purple. Now, it also comes with a spoiler that you can attach on this area. Okay. Next, let's talk about the chassis. This is an MA chassis, ABS material. This is color black. Okay. Alright, so let's talk about the internals. This is a low friction resin 8 parts. Now, this is color purple, so it comes with the battery cover, skid bar, this one, 13mm rollers. We have the lock switch. There you go. Next, let's talk about the tires. This is in color maroon. This is a low friction, medium size, and it has a print. It says City Circuit, Tokyo Bay, Tamiya. Alright, so low friction tires. And then for the rims, this is a dish type, color white. Let's check out the sides, and it's all narrow. Perfect for speed. And this pack includes a 3:5:1 gear ratio. Comes with a dual shaft stock motor, Tamiya grease, wheel shaft, battery terminal, screw nuts, and pinion gear. And then next we have the manual. And last but not the least, the decals to make your car look awesome. We are inviting you to visit the Attic Yarn and Hobby Studio in Marikina City and experience a wonderful time building and playing with your Tamiya car. We have daily fun race, time attack, and multi-tournament. Track layout changes every month to make things challenging. I hope you learned something from this video. Stay safe and have fun racing.